Hello friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can set up your DVWA environment lab. So for that, go to Google Chrome. Over here, first of all, if you want to set up your DVWA lab, you first need to install XAMPP. That is, type this and hit enter. Open the first link. You can install XAMPP for Windows, for Linux or for Mac. Depending upon your laptop, you can select either of three. So as I'm using Windows, so I'll download this one. It has started downloading. The main motive of installing XAMPP is to create a local web server for testing purposes. That's why we are using XAMPP. So after the installation of XAMPP, you need to also download DVWA files. So go to Google and type DVWA, open the first link and download the folder. So after the completion, unzip the file. Now you need to copy this folder and paste this folder in C drive, XAMPP folder under htdoc subfolder. After copying, rename this folder as DVWA. Inside you will find all these files. Now, before starting off with your DVWA, open your config folder and you will see a file over here, namely config.inc.php.dist. Now you have to rename this file and remove .dist part. Now open this file. Over here you will see the password db_password. Remove this password, and also default security level is impossible. Change this to low. One more thing, whenever you will start with DVWA testing lab, first open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL. Over here you will see that MySQL port is 3306. So change this DB port to the same 3306 in case it's not same. Now open Mozilla Firefox and type the following command: localhost colon your port number 8081/DVWA and hit enter. Now what you need to do is to create and reset database. As you're using it for the first time, you have to create the database. So click on create database. And also note that this part that you can also use this to reset the administration credentials. That is, your username will be admin and password will be password at any stage. Now click on create and reset database. Finally, our database has been created. User table were created, data inserted into user and tables. Now go to the following page and over here enter the details. Username is admin and password is password. Now login. Voila! Finally, you have created your DVWA database, and now you can test the applications and vulnerabilities that we will be discussing in the upcoming modules. So thank you for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can set up the BWA testing environment. So for that, first you need to go to the Google Chrome. Over here, you need to type BWA. For setting up BWA lab, again we will be requiring XAMPP software, and we have already installed the XAMPP in the last video where we learned how to install DVWA testing environment. Over here also we will be requiring XAMPP, and we have already installed XAMPP software when we were installing DVWA, so there is no need to install it again. Just type BWA, open this first link, download option. You can download it from here or maybe from here. This is a B box. This is BWA. Download the latest version. Setting up BWA is similar to setting up DVWA. As in the case of DVWA, we unzip the DVWA files in htdocs of XAMPP folder. Over here also we'll do the same thing. As now it has been downloaded, now let's navigate to BWAP and unzip the file in htdocs. Now let's go to XAMPP, search for htdoc. Over here, paste the files. Now open the BWAP folder, then admin folder, and open the settings file. Over here, our DB password is bug. Remove this password and save this file. Now open Mozilla Firefox and type the following command, that is localhost colon 8081 slash bwap slash install.php and hit enter. Click here to install bwap. Bwap has been successfully installed. So now we have set up our bwap. Over here, type login.php, type the following username, v, and password is bug. Security level should be low, as we are just starting off with our bug bounty hunting. First we'll try at low level security, then we'll move to medium and high. So this is our bwap front page, that is home page, and this is where we select our vulnerabilities that we are going to test. Finally, we have set up a testing environment. So from next module onwards, we will be trying our hands on vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching this tutorial.